All right, welcome back to Griddle Grub. I'm Ron. Today we're going to be doing some chicken tacos on the flat top here that I got heating up. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and I'm going to bring you guys in to check out these ingredients. So here we go. We got some yellow corn tortillas. It's all the store had again this time. We got seasoned chicken here, cilantro and onion. And I got jalapeno and diced up red pepper for mine. The seasoning I put on this is a little bit of chili powder. Man, what was this stuff? I don't know. I'll have to just throw it in the description. The spices that I used on that. And yeah, I've got the flat top heating up right here. So here we go. We're gonna get this chicken on first. Let's throw a little oil. Just gonna cook them right here in the middle. Get them rolling. All right, let's get it going. This is maybe, I don't know, 2.5 cups of chicken. I just cubed up 2 chicken breasts. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, you can buy the ground up stuff. We just like to do it like this. It's better, we think. So yeah, that's about it. So you just want to cook these. Yeah, that's already cooking up nicely. And I'm running on medium-high heat right here in the middle. You want to kind of move this around, get all the chicken laying flat on the griddle. All right, let's see what we're running at. In the middle here, we're at about, it's gone down. It was at like 410. It's at like 375 now. Over here, I got this one off. It's a 320, and this one's on low. So yeah, let's keep this going. That seasoning smells delicious. And I'll put the description of that in the comments, or in the description below. All right, let's get this going. I don't want to cook this on high heat just because I don't want to burn them. It'll be nice flavor with that red pepper in there. Oh, you see that? Thing's jumping. Move it over here where it's a little bit warmer or cooler. Alright. See what we're working on here. This is cooking up nicely. A little oil. Alright. Yeah, the seasoning with I did add a little oil to it too. And it kind of, I don't know, it's sticking kind of good, but that's no problem. All right, I'm gonna just wait for this chicken to get done. I'm gonna bring you guys back and see where we're at. Here we go. All right, the chicken is done. That only took just a few minutes there. That chicken's looking nice and right. All right, see what's going on with this. Yeah, oh yeah, that's nice and good. That'll be good for mine. Alright. Alright, I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to kill this and this. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to keep that on low over there. I'm going to move this chicken over here. I'm going to move these peppers right here. I'm going to go on my tacos. And yeah, I'm going to get these tortillas going. And I'm going to put one together for you. Alright, welcome back. Got these tortillas. These are just about done. Yep, got this one made right here. So I'm gonna bring you guys in to take a look at this. Here you go. Got chicken, cheese, cilantro, and onion. Alright, let's give that. Alright, let me get these off for the wife and me. I'm gonna, ooh, that's nice and hot. All right, now I'm gonna try this bad boy. Let me kill these burners. All right, let's try this. This looks amazing. Very good. Man, how am I gonna forget the peppers, guys? I mean, it's good without them, but gotta have a little bit of peppers in there. That first bite though, that chicken, that flavor is awesome on that seasoning and that cheese. All right, let's get a bite with these peppers in there. That's way better. Got a strong onion flavor. That's because it's a strong onion, but I like that. The seasoning on the chicken, great. And I'll put that in the description. The peppers have a nice crunch to them. That was done right. Definitely. All right, well, that's all I got for you today. Hit a subscribe. Check out another video if you want. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.